What's going on, y'all? It's Corey, and I'm back again with another one. We just want to go over a quick update with my six-figure blueprint and where they're going with the platform. It's going to be a lot of new changes coming into the platform to make it better, to build it into a better sustainable, so you can build it better quality so that way you have more tools to use. And what they've done is added more capture pages into the back office when it comes to the marketing system. And these capture pages, what they are multiple stream income capture sales funnels, where if you promote more than one opportunity, you'll be able to promote three opportunities and one sales funnel with the new capture pages and stuff in the back office that's coming with my six-figure blueprint. It's an announcement just 13 hours ago from TJ Holloway. There's quite a few new updates. I'm really starting to love the direction this platform is going. And here I commented too, because being able to have a platform where you can build your brand, have an autoresponder, be able to capture leads, be able to build a 30-day to a full year autoresponder follow-up sequence. This platform is, I believe, going to reach new heights within the next year or so. It's still a new platform, and with the platform, it offers you the ability to make a income and to be able to promote your other businesses and opportunities when it comes to making an income online. I want to go over into the dashboard so I can take you guys down here. Inside the dashboard, you'll go to my links, and inside of the dashboard with my six-figure blueprint, you have your pages, which are capture pages that you edited to build your brand and build your business up. You have a lead magnet funnels. You have your VSL funnels, which are video sales letters, capture pages, bridge pages, and what's the new kid on the block is the multi-stream system, where you'll be able to promote any other opportunity you have and be able to promote my six-figure blueprint as a business opportunity, because this is SaaS, software as a service. So you can refer this service to others, and it allows you to make 100% income directly to you. It's a member-to-member based income when it comes to offering my six-figure blueprint as a service. You'll get paid directly to you using Cash Apps, different other payment processors. You can pay with Bitcoin. What I really like about this platform and where they're going, they're focusing on the entrepreneur and how to help the entrepreneur bring out more than just one stream of income, and how to be able to promote other offers and opportunities with the other streams of income that you have. And all these pages you can edit to your own liking. And what I truly love, because I am a part of this system, is the IPS capture pages and multi-stream platform that they're putting in the background. Now, IPS, I do promote that as my primary offer. My six-figure blueprint would be my second income stream, and a third income stream would be a traffic source like my lead gen secret or my traffic power line, to where you can now edit these pages, especially if you're inside the IPS. You get a capture page. You have your sales page 1 and sales page 2, which is really awesome. that they allow you to be able to build up your IPS multiple income stream. If I go over into the capture page, just show you real quick. Just go here. As this load up, this is one with a white background. Sometimes simplicity is better than having all the extra add-ons. So what it does here is let you edit what would be your primary offer. So my primary offer would be the Infinity Processing System. Why? Because the Infinity Processing System is a social media blueprint that teaches you attraction marketing, so that way you attract clients to your offers. Any offer, you can use the training to apply to any offer that you have to be able to attract multiple prospects into your opportunity. With the Infinity Processing System, it's also a direct pay-to-pay, member-to-member service. So being able to promote that as a primary offer and then have my six-figure blueprint as a second stream of income. They offer 3 membership packages when it comes to my six-figure blueprint. I do have a link in the bottom of the description. If you want to check this offer out and check out the 4-minute video on how my six-figure blueprint work and how you can get started with my six-figure blueprint. The marketing system is a one-time payment of $150, and you'll get paid $100 for every person who joined underneath you. They have a library packet that's $400, and when you get started with the library packet, you own the marketing service. So that allows you to make the $100, and you'll make $300 with the library pack every time somebody joins you. And then they have the resellers club, which is a one-time payment of $1,500. You'll make $1,000 off of every time someone joins you at the resellers club. Now they offer leverage with this system. So what that means is you'll get leverage 2 tiers deep. So every time one of your personal referrals make a referral, you'll make a commission, a pass-up commission off your leverage line. So every time someone starts with the six-figure marketing system underneath you, you'll make a $25 commission leverage. Somebody join you at the library packet, you'll make $100 commission with leverage from the leverage. And anytime someone starts at the reseller packet underneath you in a reseller packet, you'll make a 200. It's 3:10 in the morning. You guys do apologize to me. I'm here solely to help you and show you that what's possible with starting an online business. And income disclosure, not everyone is is going to be able to increase these incomes. But if you put the training that they give you in the back office to use and actually go out and refer people, then you can start seeing some success with the system. Now I think this is so cool that they've added this into the back office, so that way you're not messing around with 6 or 7 different funnels. You can plug in 2. This one has 2 multiple income streams. And let's go into this capture page here, where they offer you to set up 3 income streams. So you'll have your primary offer, you'll have your marketing system, and then you'll have a way to get traffic. Whatever you use as traffic, you can edit this so that way you can set up your own traffic server inside of the system. So wherever you get traffic from, whatever you offer, if you have an account with Udemy, if you have an account with Safe List, you can add those links inside of there to be able to drive traffic, help your prospects be able to drive traffic to the promotional offers, whichever income stream they decide to join you with. My 6-figure blueprint is going to new heights, you guys. This is a newbie friendly opportunity, direct member to member sales. If you want to be making $300 while sitting on the beach, click the link below. Check out the 4-minute video on how to get started, and I'll see you guys on the other side.